Welcome back guys. Today we learn to make your first game using Python with programming. So let's begin and look at a game. So guys, our game is going to be a guessing game. So you input the number and it's going to tell you whether your number is higher than the guess and lower than the guess, or it is equal to the guess. And the number we generate will be random from the computer. So the computer will be generating random numbers and we have to guess it. That's so cool, right? So let's begin and check how it looks. To begin, I have to import random. Guys, so first we will define the general structure of our game, the opening and the closing. So now let us actually make the main function for the game to work. So let us define a secret number, okay? Random.randint. So it generates a random number between any two spaces. If I say 0 and 2, it will generate a random number between 0 and 2. Okay. Now the while tool will keep on asking us the user input. So we can say user input. Guys, so now if the user input is greater than the secret number, you have to say your guess is very high, reduce it. So let's say 5. So this is how the main structure of a game is going to look like. Well, it's so simple. The guess is higher, you say the guess is high. If the guess is lower, then you say the guess is low. And if the guess is equal to it, you can break out of the loop and say you have won the game. That's so simple. Let us just add one more logical function. Suppose you have to make a limited number of tries. Sorry, for example, I defined total number of tries equals to 3 times. Okay. And guys, we can always increment the value of current tries plus 1. Now let us run our program. Guys, so it asks me to guess my number. So if I say my number guess is 2, you can see it says me the guess is too high. If I say 1, it shows me that I have won the game because the computer had guessed 1 in this case. So here 0 to 2, the computer ended up guessing 1. So here we win the game. Now let us increase the guessing value to say, let's example 4. So the computer will guess between 0 and 4. So for example, if I say 0, it will say your guess is too low, increase it. If I say 3, it will say your guess is too high. If I say 4 itself, your guess is too high. So now I have to do something. If I press 2, you can see you ran out of tries, you lose the game. You see that? So I'm out of tries, so I lose the game. Even if it is correct, I lose the game because I'm out of 3 tries. At the 4th try, if I win, I'm out of tries, so I lose the game. So basically that's how the logic of the game works, and it's so well programmed. Running it one more time, for example, I press 2. You can see it shows guess is too high. If I press 1, guess is too low. If I press 3, you can see congratulations, you have won the game because luckily the computer guessed 3, I also guessed 3, and we won the game on the 3rd try. So I had still win it in my tries. So that's why I win the game. Is to make your first amazing guessing game with the computer for free using Python. If you want to see more of such videos, you can make sure that you subscribe, like and share. Until then, see you and have a good day and bye.